Hi everyone, today I'm with Superdrug on a shoot doing a glitz and glam look for you guys. Glam is literally what I am known for. So I'm gonna start straight off and do my brows. I'm gonna be using the Revolution Pro in the shade Dark Brown, which is one of my favorites. So how I always do my brows is I like to always warm the product up first on the brush. So I'm just gonna draw some strokes on my head. To carve out my brows, I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. concealer in the shade Tan Sand. So I'm gonna start from the beginning and then work my way round. And then this will just make the brows look so much more defined and just like, you know, ready. And now I'm gonna start priming my eyelids with the Be Perfect priming base. This is my go-to. It keeps on my shadow on like literally all night. So I'm gonna start off by blending some brown neutrals on the eye, and I'm just gonna go in circular motions. I'm gonna be going in a bit more darker with the eye, so I'm gonna be using like a darker shade from the palette, and it's just gonna make the eyes look a lot more like catty. I'm gonna be using the Jet Liner from Maybelline. I'm gonna start just at the corner of my eye. Once the eyeliner is done and looking snatched, I'm now gonna do the glitter on the liner. So I'm gonna be using the Set and Mist. And this is just gonna make it go from, you know, glitz to glam. And now it's time to apply some lashes. I'm using the Tight Lashes in the style TL6. For mascara, I'm gonna be using the 5D Revolution Mascara. This is one of my favorites. And I'm just gonna literally apply that straight onto the lid. And now it's time for skin. The first thing I'm gonna do is use the Dewy Set and Mist from NYX, and I feel like this is just like a great base before doing any foundation. So I'm gonna go straight in with the Revolution foundation and just buff that all over the face. For concealer, I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. concealer in the shade Tan Sand, and I'm gonna go proper for like bright with my under eye because I love like a dramatic under eye. Also, you know, like a little facelift as well. To brighten, I'm gonna be using the Revolution concealer in the shade White. So this is kind of crazy, but I love a bright under eye. Like this is like just my little secret, and I use this actually daily. And I'm just gonna use the white concealer under the eyes a little bit, just, you know, like, you know, a little extra nutty brighten. And I'm gonna blend that out with a sponge as well. I'm now gonna set the under eyes with some powder. Today I'm gonna be using the Revolution Loose Powder in the shade Banana. This is my go-to product. I'm obsessed with just how it just sets everything in place, like nothing moves. I love freckles, so I'm gonna be using the palette that I used before to draw some freckles around the nose. And then I like to use my finger just to like blend it all in. After I've done my freckles, I'm gonna add some blush. And it's just gonna bring a bit of color to the face. For highlighter, I'm gonna be using the Revolution highlighter in the shade Reloaded, and I'm gonna literally place that on the high points of my face. Above the eyes, where the brow is. To line my lips, I'm gonna be using the Rimmel lip liner. And then for gloss, I'm gonna be using the Barium lip gloss. This is a lip plump, so make sure it's like extra juicy. And then finally, to just finish this all off, some Set and Mist from NYX. And there we have it. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys love this glam as much as I do. You can shop all the products at Superdrug. Bye guys.